Hey everyone, welcome to Arkin Tips and Trick to Crack Government Exam. Today I will discuss a SBI previous year question paper, a single question from SBI 2021 paper. Now your question is in front of you. So many students are doing what in this type of question even after wasting time, children get the answer wrong. You will not entertain this type of question in the paper until you are 100% confirmed. So what we can do? If we have a meaningful word that by the third, fourth, seventh and eighth. First of all, third, fourth, seventh and eighth letter is this. This is NSTE. If if more than one word is marked Y as your answer, if no meaningful word, then mark X as your answer. If only one answer, then first letter of the word thus formed. First of all, the answer is SENT and NEST. We have two meaningful words from NSTE, that is SENT and NEST. Now, your answer is option number C. This is your homework question, everyone. Please comment fast, share and comment fast.